Okay, our word for today is put. Put is an action word or it's a verb. Put means to move or place in a particular position. Now let's find it. Word Power 60 Basic, put is a green word.
Put.
On Layup Words for Life, here's put.
Put.
On Snap Core First, here's put.
Put.
Now let's practice using our words in sentences. I could comment and say, I like how you put your shoes away. I could use put to share and show.
My mom put my hair in a braid.
I could use put to request an action. I could say, I want you to put it there. I could reject and protest and say, no, don't put it there, no. We could express our feelings and say, let's put on our silly faces. I could ask a question and say, where did you put the markers? I could give a command or direct an action and say, go put your shoes away.